Hello, guys. Welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 9th March current affairs. Welcome to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, 50% cap on quota. Here the time is come. The Supreme Court decided to examine whether it's nearly 3 decade old judgment, that is 3 decades judgment old judgment which fixed reservation for marginalized and the poor in government jobs and educational institutions at 50% needs a relook. What are the broad issues to relook? They are whether the Indira Sahani judgment of 1992, which fixed reservation at 50%, requires a relook by a larger bench in the light of subsequent constitutional amendments, judgments, and changed dynamics of the society. That's why, after 3 decade old judgment, that is in 1992 Indira Sahani judgment, there is a cap on 50% cap on quota. Whether the Maratha quota law is covered by the exemption of exceptional circumstances by the which reservation can cross 50% mark. Whether 102nd, 102nd Constitutional Amendment Act deprives a state legislature of its power to enact a legislation to identify socially and economically backward classes within the state to confer quota benefits to them. Whether Article 342A abrogates a state's power to legislate for the classify any backward class of citizens and thereby affects the federal policy or federal structure. These are the broad issues to consider to relook the reservation or cap on 50% cap on quota. That is about 50% cap on quota. Next one, drinking water. According to information provided to the Parliamentary Standing Committee PSC on water resources, only half of government schools and Anganwadis have tap water supply, despite 100-day campaign for 100% coverage being launched by the Jal Shakti Ministry in October 2020. That is, 100 days campaign means October 2020, November 2020, December 2020. They should cover 100% coverage or 100% giving tap water to schools and Anganwadis. Only half of the states have developed or achieved. Here, while 7 states in the country have 100% tap water coverage in schools, 3 have subsequently states 3 have abysmally low coverage of less than 15% states with 100% tap water coverage. Here there are 7 states. They are: the first one Andhra Pradesh, second one Goa, third one Tamil Nadu, fourth one Haryana, fifth one Himachal Pradesh, sixth one Telangana, and seventh one Punjab. These are the 100% tap water coverage states. Next one, least coverage states: Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Jharkhand. These are the less than 15%. If you see the Uttar Pradesh, then there is a 7.93% only, West Bengal 10.89% only, Jharkhand 12.99% only. That's why these least coverage states have to relook, or they have to concentrate more on the to give the 100% coverage or 100% tap water coverage. That is about drinking water. Here the most important one here we have to remember, that is Parliamentary Standing Committees on Water Resources. Next one, yesterday we have celebrated International Women Day. Here in this article we will look about the schemes for this women and child ministry. For effective implementation of various schemes and programs of Ministry of Women and Child Development, all major schemes of ministry have classified under the 3 umbrella schemes. They are Poshan 2.0, Mission Vatsalya, Mission Shakti. These are the three schemes related to women and child development. One is for protein and nutrition, that is Poshan, Mission Poshan 2.0, Vatsalya, that is care of children, Mission Shakti or empowerment of women. These three schemes cover the women and child development. Next one, Trishur Military Air Base. Here right side you can see the picture of congratulations Bareilly. Why? Because Minister of Civil Aviation flagged off the first flight from the Delhi to newly upgraded Trishul Military Air Base, Bareilly Airport, that is located in Uttar Pradesh. The Bareilly Airport has been upgraded for commercial flight operations under the RC Udan, that is Regional Connectivity Scheme, RCS scheme. RCS Udan, Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik of the Government of India. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam.